Every single business owner wants this one thing, which is to have a business that runs by itself. When they step out, it doesn't break or fall. I had this client, his name is Ben. He was having the same problem. And the problem was that he was mostly in control of all the departments. He was micromanaging his team. As soon as he was off on a department, things started breaking. Like jumping back from sales, marketing, operation, legal, like it was super exhausting to him. Like even though he was getting his revenue up every single month, but he was super tired. He started working on his business 12, 14 hours a day. And then he kept doing the same thing like over and over again for 5 years. And now he's at a point where he's like, literally he doesn't have any energy. And this happened to most of us. We just become prisoners of our business. He got to a point where he didn't believe anymore that he can actually take a day off. So what we did, we came in, we told him like, let's get you better people. Let's train those people. Let's have A players only on the team. Let's cut down the team and let's implement AI systems and train the employees to actually create by themselves autonomous AI systems. Ultimately, the person who's doing the job is the best person to create an automation because they are the one who knows what they should do and what they shouldn't do. And with that, he started seeing an increase in productivity. The big lesson here is to take that in order for you to be able to build a business that runs by itself, you need to build the people behind it for them to be able to run the business. You don't need any more hundreds of employees. You just need few employees, few key man people to be able to push the needle forward every single day. And for you as a founder, your job is to arm them with those tools, right tools. And honestly speaking, AI is the highest leverage tool that you can use. You can teach your employees, not the simple ChatGPT, like actually building high-end stuff. So AI can help them in the operation every single day. And with 5 to 6 people, you can actually go a long way and build a 6 to 7 figure business. Keep in mind, when you hire people, and especially top A player, you need to have the system in place. You need to set them up for success because you can't just hire someone like LeBron and not having people who give him passes, because if he doesn't get the ball, he's not gonna score. It's the same with business. If you don't have the right system, the right project management tool in place, those people will not perform. And you can take it out on them and say like, this person wasn't good, it wasn't the expectation that we had for him, so on and so forth. And circling back to Ben's situation, like he learned the hard way that he needed to put the people first. Most of his time was dedicated to actually offense, which is client acquisition, and none of it was for defense, to actually do the client talent acquisition. The lesson that Ben took was he needed to put people first. In what sense? He was too much focused on actually getting things done and rather building and investing his time into the people that he had in the company. He had great talent, but he didn't know how to utilize them. And he started to scale with more and more people, but this actually broke the system that he had. Like he had 3 people moving a car. Now with 7 people, he still had the 3 people doing the job and moving a train now, which was way harder. And his team got to a point where they burned out and weren't able to produce the desired outcome. What I want to tell you is this: just keep it stupid simple. The less people you have, the better chances you can work on yourself and the people that you invest your time in. Even if you see revenue coming in and you start thinking, let's grow a team, let's have this and that. Like, don't get attracted to those shiny syndromes, shiny objects. Actually, before you hire anyone for any position, you need to have systems in place, at least SOPs, and then you can start hiring people and handing them off the position. Your business is as good as the people in it. The key takeaway that I want you to take from this video is for you to invest more time into the people, because the people are the highest ROI that you can leverage in your business. And as a founder, the outcome is for you to be able to step back and fully focus on supporting your team, training them, not only telling them what to do, but actually invest your time to train them and have them succeed.